Masquera say muri Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana karikiptanka gokuya paneno channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chungo karoka subscriber. Don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi muri Zimbabwe takugira ya bulitswa na Temba Mliswa. The former MP were not on constituency. Abuda ashitaura chiti Jacob Mudenda, Speaker of Parliament, havana choice than to recall legislators is Zanu-PF 70 ayo akaitwa record na tafadzwa manyika. Tarayo vachiti constitution inoti ma political parties ane right ku recall ma members of parliament avo uyezve kana ma members of parliament asiza kuva ma members a party anofanda kuitwa record from the parliament. Vakataura vachiti constitution hai specify kuti ndiani ane right yekuita zvinhu izvi zvinzi saka nemamiro akaita zvinhu ma members of parliament ma legislators Zanu-PF 70 akaitwa record navatafadzwa manyika ari kufanira kurikolwa pazvinhu zvaitika. Ichitiko chaitika mushure mekunge the interim secretary general we-CCC vasengezo vakarikola 15 members of parliament he-CCC. Vacharayo vachiti vanga vasisiri members bato re-CCC hapana kutora nguva members of parliament akabaita record from the parliament mushure mekunge vamudenda kupiwa tsamba vakasenda imwe tsamba kuzek vachitaura vachiti pane vacancy MPs muri Zimbabwe. Saka vatafadzwa manyika vakabudwa vachiti ndi interim secretary general we-Zanu-PF vakabuda vachirikola 17 members of parliament eZanu-PF muri Zimbabwe. Amene munoona sei nyaya yabuditswa na vatemba muliswai kuti zvoitwa sei vorikolo here ma-MP eZanu-PF aya sezvakaitwa ve-CCC muri Zimbabwe. Tidzo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.
Icho ndicho fellow Zimbabweans, let me say this to you, and I want to educate you on one. Icho fellow Zimbabweans, let me say this to you, and I want to educate you on 129(1)(k) of the Constitution, which gives the political party the power to recall. Okay, we are well educated, but we're not well read. There's a difference. The reason why I say this, if we all understood the Constitution, which you must do, would not be partaking in some of the debates, because it exposes your lack of understanding of the Constitution, which is a sacred document of any nation in terms of democracy. Constitutionalism is key. What does it say? It says the party can recall you, but it does not mention in the Constitution who can recall you in the party. So the letter written by whoever from that party is accepted, and the speaker all he has to do is give notice in terms of that letter that you have received of members of parliament who are no longer members of parliament. So don't fight the speaker. Okay, the law is there. The speaker is not the one who made the law. I wanted that provision of the Constitution amended, and I moved the motion, and only Honorable Mshwari debated on it. The rest did not debate on it. I was an independent member of parliament. I did not need, okay, that at all. But they needed the amendment because they are subject, okay, to being recalled. I am not. So to me, let's go through the Constitution, let's understand it, and leave the Honorable Advocate Francis Jacob Mudenda out of it, because he just has to do what has been written. Let's amend the Constitution, because this is something which has killed democracy, because the will of the people is never respected. But the people themselves were also part of the process making of the Constitution. So it is important that we are able to select the wars to fight and so forth. Don't be emotional when it comes to these issues. Let's just do what needs to be done. Members of Parliament, CCC, hands on deck, amend this provision. ZEC bill, start working on it now.